Hello, this video will be outlining our 2023 Design Expo project, the Automatic Lizard Enclosure. Did you know that lizards actually require a lot of care? Most reptiles in general need specific and consistent temperature and humidity levels within their cage, and they might even have two different light settings, one for day and one for night. This is a normal tank. You would have to buy lights, a humidifier, and a temperature gauge just to begin creating a suitable environment for your pet. Whereas our design makes it easier for anyone to care for a lizard, whether you've owned one in the past or not. We've automated the lighting and humidity and attached it to the cage itself. As you can see, there are two lights clipped onto the top of the cage and a humidifier with piping set off to the side. We constantly monitor temperature and humidity levels of the tank through a user interface system and a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Here's a quick demo of the lights. Since we obviously can't show you the lighting turning on during the day or off during the night, we set the lights turning off and on a 10-second interval. Here's a demo of our humidifier. It has an automatic mist maker inside of the plastic container that turns on when the humidity in the tank is below a certain limit. A 3-wire fan circulates the mist through vinyl piping and into the tank. We are able to read the humidity and temperature values of the enclosure through this DHT11 sensor. All of the components' wires are connected to an Arduino located to the side of our wooden box behind the tank. All of the main components of our tank are powered using Arduino powered outlets. We stripped wall plugs and connected them to 5-volt relays to create a switch that is powered through the Arduino's digital pins. The electrical components are hidden in these outlet boxes, and the humidifier and lights are plugged into these outlets and are programmed to turn on and off based on certain settings. The humidifier is turned on when it's below the LCL, or when the humidity inside the tank is below a certain limit, and it turns off when it's above the UCL, or when the humidity in the tank is above a certain limit. The lights are turned on based on the time of day. We track the time using a real-time clock module that's powered with a lithium battery. So even when the Arduino is off, it is still on and keeping track of time. Here's a close-up of the Arduino. The red, yellow, and black wires belong to our relays and DHT11 sensor, and we have the fan and clock module connected to the board itself. The fan is powered very similar to the canister oven fan back in 121 using the MOSFET. Since we are also cyber engineers, we created a user interface for this enclosure. The entire GUI was created using Tkinter and PySerial. The starting screen provides users with two buttons, either details or options. If you hit the options button, it brings you to another screen where you can select the breed of your pet lizard. The screen will then display information about the humidity and temperature settings of the enclosure that will suit that breed. If you return to the home page and hit details, the screen will then display temperature and humidity levels within the tank at the point in which the application was opened. Our team consisted of Bailey Travis, Riley Malbrew, and Robert Newman.